Hello everyone, my name is Varian Harris, and today I will be presenting my Week 11 coding assignment. Finishing up our menu-driven application, this week we take a look at our last two operations of CRUD, update and delete. First, I added the menu selection update project details to my list of operations. This operation allows the user to modify the details of an existing project. After creating a new case in our switch statement, we then call to the method update project details. We create our method here. So this method is going to feed the user prompts to input updates to each of the project's details and then set those new inputs to the current project. Within this method, we make a call to the method modify project details on the project service object. So within this method, we want to check to see whether the updates are successful or not. If not, a corresponding message will display. We call our method again, this time on the project down object. Here's our method, modify project details. Within our method, we include our SQL statements to modify project details, establish our DB connection, and prepare statement, setting all necessary parameters and returning the result of the execute update as a Boolean. So we'll go ahead and run this. First, let's try to update a project without selecting a project. Get our error message. Next, let's select the project. Let's choose project 1. Now let's update that project. And voila. We've successfully changed our project details. Moving on to the last letter of CRUD, next we created our delete statement. Go back to our projects app. Same as the update, we first added our delete to our list of operations. Then called the method delete project in our switch statement. We created the method here. So this method first lists our projects, then checks if the project ID entered by the user is valid. If not, it will be handled in our project service object. Our delete project method here. So from here, we just we call to the method on the project down object. Here's our delete method. So here we just have our SQL statement, establish our connection, and prepare statement. This time it only has one parameter, project ID. And then we return the result as a Boolean. So now, jump back over to our console. And we'll click 5 for delete a project. And let's see if our error message is displayed if we enter in a project ID that is not within our list. So let's enter 54. Project with ID 54 does not exist. Try again. All right, that's perfect. Let's enter in 5 again. This time, let's enter in a valid ID. We'll say 1. And now, if we choose 2, list projects, project 1 has now been deleted. If we go over to dbeaver and click refresh, you can see that, oops, not category. see that all of our rows for project ID 1 have now been deleted. And now we only have project ID 2 and 3. This concludes my week 11 presentation. I hope you enjoyed it thus far. See you in the next one.